CONNEX Virginia is a new online platform that connects manufacturers and suppliers in a searchable database, basically enabling buyers and the suppliers to connect, to network, and establish relationships in a way that strengthens the domestic supply chain and benefits a wide range of stakeholders here in Virginia. CONNEX Virginia comes at an important time. We've heard about supply chain issues in the news. This is something that manufacturers are concerned about dealing with every single day. So this is very timely. It's something that we are dealing with here at VEDP and addressing through a new program in our shop. And we've got partners like the GENEDGE Alliance that are doing it through CONNEX Virginia. So this is something that we're really excited about. It has a lot of potential to connect manufacturers and suppliers in a way that establishes those relationships, those networks, to strengthen our domestic supply chain at a time of unprecedented need. There's real urgency in doing it, but this is something that makes sense anyway. We've learned a lot from the pandemic. This is a time of innovation, and the CONNEX Virginia platform is something that was born of a crisis, born of a time of unprecedented need. If we can leverage this opportunity, if folks participate and use CONNEX Virginia, it's like a lot of things. It's going to be strengthened by folks signing up, using the platform. There's strength in numbers, and it's an opportunity to leverage the full manufacturing might, the supply might of the great Commonwealth of Virginia in a way that strengthens those manufacturers, those suppliers, and ultimately strengthens our economy and our economic vitality.